Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a unboxing for you from the brand Cozmobox. So in this box we should find, I've just got some details here which I can read out. In this box we should find one full-size product and then there'll be 4 to 5 deluxe size products. This is, like I said, a monthly subscription, and I'll pop some extra details down here and also in the description bar for you to check out. So without further ado, let's undo the box. So this is their May box. I know I am a little bit late, but this will give you a good indication as to what is actually in there. So when I opened the box, we have the little pamphlet which tells us what we are getting, and also has a little sneak peek as to what their following month is, so the June month. Now, I haven't opened this, I just literally opened the box before, but I wanted to do a majority of it on camera. So the first thing that I've picked up is a Christian Dior little gift bag. Now what they are saying is this is the little VIP gift, so I don't believe this is part of the actual products. Yeah, this is just an extra little gift. Seems like a nice little travel size bag, very cute colour. Kind of feels a little bit like that wetsuit material. But yeah, that'll be good to go away with. So I can see, oh, these look pretty big actually. Looks like there's a couple of full size products in here. Let's take a look. So this is the Cordially Great Water. This is just basically like a refreshing spray. This is a 200 ml, so it is a massive size. And yeah, good for all skin types. So this is worth $30. The next one we've got is, this looks like a full size too. What's this? Toothpaste. So this is a mint and licorice flavoured toothpaste. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but we can only give it a go, can't we? So that seems to be a full price too, and that is worth $15.95. Ooh, the Lancome Genevieve Hydrogel Eye Masks. Oh, I'm all about face mask, sheet masks in particular, but I love the under eye ones too. I'm all about that, so I can't wait to try these. I've actually tried the face, like the sheet face mask of this as well, and it's really nice. What's this one worth? That's worth $18. So that's pretty good. So yeah, these will be good for reducing eye bags. I'll see about that. Dark circles, and also just rejuvenate the area. I really like to use eye masks, in particularly when I'm going to be wearing a lot of makeup, either straight after or the next day. I just find that they really help boost hydration under the area, and they also minimize creasing, which is really good. So another good one there. And now we've got 3 left. The next one is a Decay perfume. This one is $7.50. Looks like a little pen. Oh, it does look like a little pen. Oh, smells good. So this is a perfume marker. Oh, it smells so nice. So this is the Decay Stories perfume marker. It has a floral scent with a modern feminine edge. So this is a really cute little one to pop in the handbag. Be really good in this one when you go away. All right, next one. This is the Clarins Extra Firm Day Cream, wrinkle lifting cream for all skin types. So that would be like a deluxe sample, I would say. So this is said to visibly firm and lift and fight wrinkles with age-defying power of kangaroo flower extract. A new plant discovery that leaves the skin looking smooth, firm, radiant, and renewed day after day. What I love about deluxe samples, and particularly like these style of like subscription boxes, is that you get enough product to try it and to know if you're going to like it. And it's, you know, a quarter of the price of if you were to go and buy the full size of it, basically. So that's one really good reason I do enjoy a subscription box. And then the last thing we have here, oh, an eye cream. This is the Moisture Lipsum Eye Cream. Lightweight gel with heavyweight performance that moisturizes, firms and brightens the delicate skin around the eyes, combining a high concentration of multi-layered lipsome technology that delivers intense moisture and self-hydration power for all-day comfort. Okay, so that is everything in the box this month. In case you missed before, these subscription boxes are $59.90 per month, and you can get them in monthly, 3 monthly or yearly subscriptions. Click the link down below if you want to check out more on Cozmobox, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.